What's going on, friends? Welcome back to my channel. This is the new shoes for Off-White Nike Dunk Low lot. This is the of a lot of the fifth. This style have a have the 50 number, and this one is the 37. 37 ready to ship, and also we will have other number, so you can check more details on my web link to pick up new one you like. For the style, all are the same, it's just some pass on shoes with different color to make they are different. Okay, so now let me show the shoes, and you can check out this one. So 37 of a 50, and this is the tag is a classical for Off-White sneakers, and here print something on it. And this is the sweat material. It's a very good one. Check the whole side. You check the colors and the texture on the whole pair. And this is the last log of the shoes. You can look. And turn to the front, you can look temple leather on the front here, and on the laces got a double laces. One is the flat one, flat shape, and another one is the circle one. And on the laces got the laces letters print on it, and both laces different. And about the shoe tom, you can look at the shoe tom is unfinished cut off, and the side here got a Nike embroidered there. And both you can look this one like this, and another one is the flat. Okay, so it's a very good one. It's the foams, it's very soft. And turn to the back side, got the Nike print on the top. And the bottom, you can see the whole piece is very green color. And about the inside, you can look print the logo on the shoe pie. And about the inner side, you can look inside. Got a zip tie here, so print something there. And also got Off-White text on the inner side. And now let me show this one outfit. I think this one. Some like this style, very comfort, and also it's very good to mess clothes. So you can take here, check this one outfit. Double laces to make the shoes more beautiful. Very clean color here. You can look how good this style outfit. Okay, so let's all from today's review here. Thanks for seeing you next video. Bye bye.